Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are doing well. And today is Wednesday. So Wednesday को हम क्या करते हैं? We all know we do WH type questions, and we also try to not write the exact line from the passage, and also we try to make our own sentences a complete perfect sentence. Okay, जैसा question पूछा है वैसे ही हम question आंसर ट्राई करने का कोशिश करते हैं. ओके, एंड आई होप दैट अभी तक आपको अंदाजा आ गया होगा दैट व्हाट आर वी डूइंग वेडनेसडेज. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. So today's passage, it's about doctor. So whoever is willing to become a doctor when they grow up, they will surely love this passage. Courtney's father is a doctor. His name is Dr. Goodman. Everyone in our community thinks that he is a great doctor. Okay, so what is Courtney's father's profession? Okay, so profession मतलब जो काम होते हैं, doctor, teacher, postman, okay, plumber, these all are professions. So Courtney के father का profession is that he is a doctor. What is his name? Dr. Goodman. And everyone उनके जो community में है, they think that he is a great doctor. I think so too. Whenever I don't feel good, my mother calls Dr. Goodman. When we get to his office, he checks my temperature and asks me what is wrong. Okay, so here we are making now connection that whenever we also don't feel good, we also go to doctor. Okay, our mummy, our daddy, or our grandparents, nani, dadi, they take us to you know doctor, and mostly the doctor checks our temperature. ओके, एक डिवाइस होता है, थर्मोमीटर से हमारा टेम्परेचर चेक करते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो डॉक्टर आस्क्स अस कि हमको और क्या तकलीफ है. ओके, सो ही चेक्स माय टेम्परेचर एंड आस्क मी व्हाट इज रॉन्ग. He always gives me something that makes me feel much better. Now, what do you think the doctor is giving so that the child is feeling better? That's correct, medicines. It is easy to see that Dr. Goodman really cares about his patients. He always calls later on in the day to make sure that I am feeling better. Okay, so the doctor always calls later in the day. Later in the day matlab, can you guess what later in the day can mean? Evening time pe, to make sure that the author is feeling happy or better. Sometimes Courtney and I talk to Dr. Goodman about his work. He tells us that he had to study for a long time to become a doctor. Okay, so if you all also who wants to become doctor, you have to study a lot. So abhi se he start studying a lot so that you make a habit, and when you grow up you study a lot and you successfully become a doctor and achieve your dream. He says that he is glad that he did because he loves to make people feel better. Okay, he is glad. Glad means, think about what do you mean by glad. Okay, and he thinks that he did a very good job because he loves to make people feel better. He has shown us some of his books and explained to us how our hearts work. Okay, so हमारा दिल कैसे काम करता है, he has shown them. Courtney and I have decided that we want to be doctors too when we get older. Okay, they have also decided that they'll also become doctor when they grow up. Now we'll move to the question part. First is the main idea of this story is. Okay, now we all know until now okay, how we find a main idea. If not, please refer to the RC Strategies PDF. The main idea of this story is option A, Courtney has a father. Option B, our community has a great doctor. Option C, I don't feel good. Second question, another word for community is. ओके कम्युनिटी के लिए अनदर वर्ड कौन सा है? ऑप्शन ए टाउन, ऑप्शन बी कंट्री, ऑप्शन सी स्कूल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, what does Dr. Goodman do when I go to his office? ओके डॉक्टर गुडमैन क्या करते हैं जब वो उनके ऑफिस जाते हैं? क्वेश्चन 4, how do the people in our town feel about Dr. Goodman? Okay, how are people feeling in the town about Dr. Goodman? You have to write that. Make sure that you read the passage again and again to get the exact correct answer, and then you don't miss out on any line and state the wrong answer. Okay. Question 5, why does Dr. Goodman call my mother? Okay, why, क्यों डॉक्टर गुडमैन कॉल करते हैं मम्मी को? Then the sixth question, what do Courtney and I talk to her father about? Okay, what, क्या, कोटनी और मैं डैडी से किस बारे में बात करते हैं? Okay, these are pretty basic questions and I hope you get all your answers perfect. Now, when you are writing the answers, make sure that you make your own proper sentence and don't copy the exact same line from the passage. Okay, align your question to the answer. ठीक है, and I don't want to see any mistake today. It's spelling mistake, then capital, full stop missing. I don't want to see any of it. So make sure that you focus and write also. Yes. Okay. Now step 1, you will copy the entire passage in your notebook, all the capitals, full stop and punctuation in place. Okay, so there are many capitals here because names are repeated. Okay, Courtney, Dr. Goodman, every now and then names are repeated, so make sure you focus on capitals and full stop. Step 2, you have to read the passage and send me a voice note on my WhatsApp. Okay, not everybody is sending me voice note. Now the reason I'm asking you to send voice note is, one, because you are accountable that you have to send Didi voice note, so you will end up reading. Okay, I want you to read daily. The more you read, the more you become fluent in speaking English, so make sure you read. And step 3, after you are done reading the passage and understanding what the passage is all about, you will move to the question. And as I told earlier, make sure that the questions are perfect sentence, complete sentence, and then full stop and capitals all in place. Spellings also. Okay, please check your spellings. Most of the people are making many silly mistakes while they write small spellings. So make sure you don't do that. And step 4, click picture of your entire assignment and send to me on my WhatsApp. Okay, make sure you send them early so that I can check and send you back as early as possible. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the passage and you learned something new today. And yeah, have a happy day. Take care.